ego i-guest ihuwe lights camera action sishayizule obvious nami usuqagela movious yayona i-umbrella i-podcast enothando labantu thanda nokwazi ngohambo labantu hamba nge-faith futhi ayihambi nge-sight kodwa mekumnyama iyayifaka ne-light.
Another week, another exciting episode of the Creatives Unplugged podcast. Sinibingelele sesikhona and niyazi-ke angihambi ngedwa Child Africa.
You know, you got that right.
Yeah.
What's up, everybody? This is the Creatives Unplugged podcast. Another week. Sizoletha umlilo futhi.
Yeah.
Sizosiphethe izinto ezinhle ezikhala kamnandi la ekhaya.
Yabo?
Yeah, kuhamba kanjani
kuwena?
kuwena?
Show. Ngiright mfethu. Iyahlangana kubusy. Ubusy ngani now?
Yeah, mfethu. Yeah, ngisanda kubusy nje into eziningi.
Yeah.
But as we know, South Africa mfethu sine pandemic here, women and child abuse.
Oh yeah.
So there's a live recording I'm going to be doing on the 30th of November.
Yeah.
At Hugh Cafe. I'm going to be singing with the live band, and obviously my visuals are sponsored by Movies Media.
Oh, nice.
Yes.
Okay.
And then we're going to be having a live recording, basically in a concert of awareness, CIOE, gender-based violence and child abuse.
Yeah.
Yes.
Get nendawo?
Hugh Cafe.
Hugh Cafe yangithela lapha kuMasgrave.
Yes.
Okay.
It's in Florida Road.
Florida.
Just behind Izai.
Oh.
Yeah. But then on 23 I'm hosting a lunch for a group of ladies, abancane nje. It's a small group of ladies in Zimbabwe. We're going to have some lunch and talk about struggle that we have and we are faced as survivors and allies and activists of GBV. Yes.
Nice. Yo, kubusy. Nathi nje sike sathi kuyovakashela Movies Media uVino Gavenda. Uyakhumbula ubefikile la. So she was doing i-launch yencwadi yakhe. Incwadi ephumile so bekunabantu abaningi kuneyikhulumi yalaunchwa kamnandi incwadi umnyango ubuvalwe ngoBrian.
Bokudile kuBrian.
Hayi ngiyakutshela phela kodwa bekunamanye ama-status uyadlala wena. So bekumnandi ngendlela
eyisimanga.
Usho kanje?
Ngalamba.
Ukhalela wona uBrian.
Brian Street.
Hayi bekumnandi mfethu sihlale sibhizi siyanyakaza Movies Media sibuye shoothe ngaphandle shoothe ngaphakathi but I can't wait ukuthi si-introduce ama-guest ethu namhlanje sine guest legend ezayo yebo leyo but before that let's all welcome uAyanda Dlamini from iAyanda Arts
Gallery.
Ngisho isibongo sakho ka uGumede.
Magunqwabe.
Oh baningi abantu bayagumede. Indaba ngithi wakadlamini.
Angazi manje.
Awukuthanda ukudla mina?
No.
Yeah, welcome Ayanda.
Thank you for having me.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah, so siyajabula ukuba nawe siyazi ukuthi ufuna ukusitshela more about i-event eniplanile as Ayanda Arts Gallery.
Yes, so on the 30th of November, we'll be launching the very first mobile walk-in gallery in South Africa at Moses Mabhida. Very, very exciting at Fish Food with Tuladu. So it will be starting from 12 to 5 p.m. There will be live painting. There will be live sessions. Live sessions.
Yeah.
And then you'll be you'll be able to see the actual mobile gallery the very first time.
Oh, nice.
South Africa.
Thina sesiyibonile i-mobile gallery.
Behind the scenes.
Awusitshele ngaleyo behind the scene ukuthi benizama ukwenzani manakhi prom.
Well, we were just trying to get for content and also with the help of Movies Media, they were able to assist me and we did very good content. Thank you so much.
Nice. Ngiyakhumbula siqala ukushootha lapha kuyona ilento njani i-mobile sibuye saya eMlazi.
Yes, la ngiqhamuka khona.
Ikasi lamakhasi. Yeah.
Kusuka eMlazi, so yes, we did the shoot yaseMlazi.
Yeah.
So we're gonna tell a story of where I come from and then what I'm doing now. But
Yeah.
Yes.
So kwi-art industry ngiyabona ukuthi ubune-event obuyenzile and umningi ngalapha unekhampani especialize kwi-art which is Ayanda Arts Gallery okwenzakalani.
Okay, the company it's a gallery. It's Ayanda I Am Art Gallery.
I Am Art
Gallery,
yes.
And then I also do have a foundation which is called the Art Club Foundation, which we assist kids with disability, like awareness.
Oh yes.
So my daughter was diagnosed with autism, so that's how the Art Club Foundation came about, where we raise awareness with kids with disabilities. So we do workshop, we do art therapy with the Art Club Foundations. So I do work, because I work with artists, so most of the time we collaborate, they assist me if we have to do paint sessions. So most of the time when kids are on the spectrum, the things that mostly come themselves, it's art. Things that, so some of them, they don't communicate, but they communicate through art.
Yes. So i-Arts Gallery le mobile iqhamuka kanjani? Kade officer vele?
Well, yes, I've been getting requests from artists wanting to get to a gallery. And most of the time, there's so much I can do to approach the other art galleries. I didn't have my own, but I do work with other galleries. But I saw it's just been a struggle. So myself, I thought of this idea of getting emerging artists to also be able to exhibit, doing their group exhibition there, and also solo exhibitions. It will be more accessible. Anybody who is in the art can come and approach me, and we can do something. We can collaborate. Yes.
Nice.
Awesome. And the fact that you can even yes, we're gonna
we can go. Yes, it's exciting. It will be very accessible to anyone. We go to like you said, townships. We go everywhere.
Nice.
All around South Africa.
So everyone, let's take this moment and then niyibonele nina le mobile esikhuluma ngayo. Enjoy.
My name is Ayanda Gumede. I'm the founder and owner of Ayanda Art Gallery. I'm an artist, art curator, and artist manager. Growing up in Umlazi, I knew my right brain was sharper than left, something I could do with ease and patience back then. I didn't think art would turn into a career path. As I grew older, art continued to be around me. In my college days, working in art gallery, in meeting an artist and ending up marrying him. I got more immersed in art, and eventually, as I started creating and selling my work, my passion grew stronger, and I have never looked back. From the time of managing Wakaba Muteki, I knew that I could also manage and work with other artists and pass on the knowledge and experience that I had gained. From helping artists in pricing their works to helping them find their unique style that people associate them with, to encouraging to focus on developing their craft, not be distracted by promoting and selling their work. I've had the pleasure of working with dozens of artists over the past years from around South Africa and neighboring countries, some established artists, but especially emerging artists. In 2022, I formed the Art Club Foundation due to my own personal life experience of raising my daughter, Tiffany, who is autistic and has ADHD. The Art Club Foundation provides creative outlets for children with disability and special needs to express themselves in ways where every child can experience the joy and benefits of art regardless of their physical or cognitive challenges. Many of the art exhibitions that I curate have a focus of disability, inclusion, and related themes. I'm very excited about the US project, which is South Africa's first ever walk-in mobile art gallery, to be launched on the 30th of November 2025, that will make an art more accessible to children and adults, many who have never been in an art gallery before. This unique mobile unit will travel around the country to previously underserved communities, townships, in settlement, rural areas, providing a professional, accessible, and inclusive art exhibition platform. I hope to especially inspire children to see art not only as a hobby, but something that can be their career path in the future.
Okay, nice one. Yeah. Nice. No, mhlawumbe before uphume ngifuna ukuthi ubukele ya camera siphinde siba invite abantu one more time uyasho ukuthi event yeni ikephi nendawo and iqala ngasikhatsini wonke nje ama details.
Okay, so event izoba ngomhla ka-30 November.
Yes.
On Sunday iqala ngo-12 iphele ngabo-5. And also there's gonna be a buffet with fresh with Tuladu, which is $350.
Yeah.
But you are allowed. You can come through and have a look at the mobile gallery itself.
Moses Mabhida.
Moses Mabhida.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, mase khulunywa ngebuffet.
Family.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go to 350 wami.
Yes.
Kamnandi. Yeah.
And also there's gonna be live music as well.
Oh, nice.
There's gonna be live painting. There's gonna be live paint sessions as well. So, yeah.
Oh, Baba will perform.
One of them, which will be our child.
All right. Kanti uthuli nje kanti ulapho. Hey, tiye madoda. Hayi siyabonga kakhulu Ayanda. Let's all give Ayanda a round of applause.
Thank you.
Siyabonga. Ay, sihleli nama creative, not one, not two. But more. Okay, asathathe lesikhathi leli thuba leli samukele guest yethu. This guy is a producer, he's a legend. I've worked with different and a number of artists la KZN, la South Africa, even naphesheya kwezilwandle sekwenzeka izinto naye.
Namaphethelo.
Ayibo. Okay, let's all welcome uDusty Nkosi. Yeah, man. Oh, siyakwamukela bafu. Uyaphila mfowethu?
Ngiyaphila.
Hey, siyajabula ukuthi ukhona ku Creative Unplugged. Siyabonga bafu.
Uthabisile Ndlovu. Yeah, uthabisile Ndlovu. Hey.
Ongakanani la? Shaya kwasa kwasa. Kumbe sekwantamini sebish. Yeah.
Yo, away naso babe. Sita, yenje ngamatelo lemi. Tando, lakolo shaya ngapalaki. Wabelulwa.
Ay.
Yazi iyangimangaza because namanje sangikhipha ama goosebumps.
Yeah, mnandi bafethu.
Yenje ngamatelo lemi. Tando, lakolo shaya ngapalaki.
Hey. Ay, fun. Yeah.
Ay, siyabonga DJ. Nice one.
Yeah.
Irole yakhe ibikanjani ke ngoba sisakuyona nje.
I am the one who created the beat.
Nice.
Yeah, I am the one who created the beat, and then TK, Thabisile basizana ukubhala ama words.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Mhlawumbe to take it back nje mfethu ngoba siyazi ukuthi unane background even ephuma ku music
Yes.
uchazela abantu abasibukele njengamanje simakhulunywa ngoDusty Nkosi owakephi ukhule kanjani.
Yeah, usually ngiye ngithi hey kangisiza sometimes ukufihla because sometimes vele kuthiwa hayi
ingoba
yabo i-privilege yokuthi ingane kabani yabo so ngavele ngayibuka nje as if like mina ngcono ngizenzele into yami itime beliyidumele la izenzele okwalo nami ngizenzele okwami luckily ukuthi vele bathi umfundisi akamzali umfundisi but ke here I am a producer and my father was also a producer and yeah so nje I'm original from Mpumalanga province ukuthi ilangazalo la khona and then history yami nje yonke I think it's from Mpumalanga and another big thing is that my father was a superstar and people they don't know igama lakhe uDen Gandaganda Nkosi and mawuzosho kanjalo ke abantu abadala ko 80s banibani they know him very very well beka edume njengotira ngeikhali zakhe
Wow.
uDen Nkosi elinye legend le
yeah fethi so nje kwaba kanjalo ke in fact nakho ukufunda nje because what I wanted to do mina bengakhona ukucula and such nokuthi ngibe u DJ but I wanted to be a background person as a sound engineer yabo so istudio besikhona ke vele ekhaya ukuthi nge-spare time mengayanga esikolweni bengivulele ke mhlambe ngigangeke kuthiwa ganga yabo
kanti ukuganga kuzokubeka la bra so ukhula what was your first software usebenzisile ku production ngoba ngifuna ukubheka ukuthi yipe ebisikhona ngalesa sikhathi uqala nje ku production
yabo mfethu khona bayibiza MC50 MC50 MC500
MC500
yeah imshininyana nje omncane ongaka kanje and then manje wona mawusebenzisa usinka nalento ebizwa i-reel to reel yabo i-reel to reel le reel tape i-reel tape
oh yes
boyisinka naye the time urecorda create beat la bese the time when you record ama vocals wa record lapha
angena ku
reel tape
i-cassette lesikhuluma ngalo
This is interesting.
Yeah, ngaqala ngalezo ikhathi kahle. Sashintsha ke kwaba nento ebizwa i-K-Cock which was a program esaqala ukubona ngayo ukuthi kune computer ke sikune computer encane ebizwa i-K-Cock. Kwashintsha lapho kwaba nenye ibizwa i-Altari. Yabo. So emva kwalokho ke kwasekufika ke Cubase and stuff. So kushuthi kahle kahle ko wonke ama program ebesetshenziswa ngalezi ayikhathi until now ngiyawazi
wonke
so lokho kusho ukuthi neminyaka ke
so affectanga ndawo for music and then isikole ngalana isekhaya ku busy production mhlawumbe ufunde kephi nendawo
mina ukufunda kwami ngafunda eMpumalanga ngoba ngakhulela khona but ugrade I think beko standard 9 ngalezi ayikhathi zethu standard 9 itime lasele yangithatha ke la ngise ngafunda eGauteng Foslorus bengifunda eFoslorus ngahlala khona ke until grade 12 ke ngaqeda grade 12 standard 10 ngalezi ayikhathi ngaqeda ke and then emva kwalokho kwawukuthi ke yile nhlobo honestly speaking bengathandi kahle kahle vele ukufunda ngizoba honest nje bengakuthandi ukufunda
ama creative shuthi nje lento la egazini
bengakuthandi endaweni eyodwa mfethu uvula iphepha utshela ukuthi ayichazi
bengakuthandi kahle kahle ukufunda kodwa kwawukuthi ke phela yabo ne time ali street and nalo la industry la understand very well lithi kumina uzongena ku industry akuna problem but kumele ube nomphako wenye into eseceleni yabo ayikwadla ukuthi standard 10 ngabuka ngathi baba mina angiboni ukuthi ukhona okunye engingakwenza ngaphandle kwalokho engikufunayo manje I rather mhlambe do enye into mhlambe enye qualification kuwona le industry yeni yabo wasithi okay it's fine wasengitholela I think bekuyini le yanto eSABC la ngahamba khona ngayofunda ke ngifunda nezinye izingane i-sound engineering like proper yabo
cabanga
yabo
so isikole kodwa kushuthi why phela isikole
sound
engineering
ngaye esikoleni
because ibonile qualification lapha ku profile
and le sound engineering ayenzelwanga noma ikephi yenzelwe eSABC cabanga ayiziyasha bafo and then uthema uqede mhlawumbe khona ke umusic ubusuqalile usuproducer vele abanye abantu uba umuntu nje noma umsebenzi wokuqala wawenza wathi yabona manje ngangena.
Okay, while ngisafunde eSABC ubaba wangintroduce kumfundisi uChawane, ubaba Chawane ubaba kaAmu, Amu Nation. Beka nestudio. So kwawukuthi ngizoya kuyena ngenza ama practical while ngifunda, yabo. So kwawukuthi ke okay sengimeet uAmu ke lapha e-studio naye azenzela into yakhe naye vele bese yazi ke vele into ayenzayo ke yena engafani nami ngafunda na kuyena ngenhlanhla ke we end up doing i-album yakhe. I was co-producing i-album yakhe mina.
Nice.
Yabo.
Yeah.
So kwawukuthi ke ekugcineni ngiyibona nami sekathi angicule engomeni ethize, yabo.
Yeah, iplay ngoma enenza no
ilethi Phakamisa.
Oh, phakamisa izandla zakho sikubona mangabe uphethe ukhahlamba la khona.
Yeah.
Ile phansi ethi hayibo
ilacula mina khona. And guess what, I had no interest kakhulu ekuculeni.
Yeah.
Wathi hayi la ku music industry kuze ube right kumele wenze
yonke
kube kuningi nje okwenzayo ukuze kube na more opportunities, yabo.
Hey, that was a classic song.
Yeah.
14 ke sibe hip hop community mayisiphuma lapha i-album yaAmo.
Yeah.
Amu Nation sebenzisana no Mr Selvan.
Yes.
Baningi nje abantu ababephuma ngalezo ikhathi ngiyakhumbula kune squatter camp.
Yes.
So that was an era kahle.
Yeah.
So nasebenza ke noAmo mhlawumbe wabuya washane nezinye impahla.
Yeah, sasebenza noAmo until ngaze ngamitha umunye umjida wala eThekwini bathi uBheki.
Oh yeah.
uBheki, I think uBheki igama beyibiza uLokshin.
uLokshin.
Yambona uLokshin, uBheki uLokshin.
Ngiyambona uLokshin.
In fact is the guy lo owa recorder uBongi Dube and uBongi Dube was signed under Lokshin record. Yabo ngaleza ikhathi. So nje wasethi mfethu yabo ukuthi kuyaphithizela la. Asambe seThekwini. I think there's a space for anything. Yabo umuntu ofana nawe because wena sound engineer but at the same time uyakwazi nokudlala ama keys, yabo. So khona into engenzeka, yabo.
Yeah.
Ngaqale ngasaba. Yabo nje usuka endaweni usuka la ukhona ucomfort ocabanga ukuthi comfortable khona uya kwenye indawo. Wathi ayasambe sahamba. Sithe mesifika la eThekwini ke kwaukuthi hayi wabona naye ukuthi sahlanganisa sangayithola indawo yokwakha istudio, yabo. Uthe suka lapho wahamba wayokhuluma nomunye owner yeclub abathi uJust Brown, they own iCoffee Brown.
Oh yes.
Benestolo uJust Brown, isibuza iJust Brown lapha ngase ePoint Road. What uJust Brown, no fine ningajike istudio senu ningasifanga ngale kwesitolo ngemuva because there is a space. And then safaka istudio ke lapho. That's when ngeke kwaqala ukurecorda khona ezinye izinto. I think sa recorda i-compilation I think i-compilation ye-DYR.
Yeah.
Sa record i-compilation ye Vibe FM.
Oh nice.
Yeah. And then kwaba khona ke into angazi ine yasiphazamisa nayo uBheki because yabo sometimes nokusebenza noma uthola ukuthi khona ukungaboni ngahlolinye, yabo. And then ngathola umunye umjide bathi usikhumbuzo Mzobe, yabo. Usikhumbuzo Mzobe wathi hey mfethu ngicela ukuthatha ngikise komunye ubafu ekuthiwa Malcolm Mhleko, yabo, une studio. I think uzofika usebenze wena ngoba uyayazi lento.
Yeah.
And then wangithatha wangisa kuyena. And then ngafika kuMalcolm ke wangi-interviewa ke. Ngawelele kumtshela nje ukuthi ngubani igama lami, ubani time lami. That's why asikho isidingo sokuthi interview wena because seems as if vele uyasazi isidingo sakho, yabo.
Yeah.
And then ngacala ukusebenza e-studio ke. By the time bekno TK e-studio.
Yeah.
And then sasebenza no TK sobabili ke. And then emva kwalokho the rest is history.
The rest is history.
Yabo uMalcolm uyangithatha nje uyangifaka la kule studio kanti angazi ukuthi sengene e-studio semambazo, yabo.
Yeah, because laphana usebenza ngiyabona lapho kwi-profile ukuthi usebenze naye i-Black Mambazo.
Yes.
So bekuhlangana kanjani kwi-production ba part of i-production or befika bona bezo recorda nje kubhuti uMalcolm
since kuyi-studio sabo laphana. So now and then if there's any project that they wanna do beza lapha ne-studio. Mengekho uMalcolm khona mina ngoba uTK wabuye wahamba waba i-lecture eShepstone kwesinye isikole, yabo. So kwasekusala mina. So bafika ke ba recorda ngaba kodwa into eyenza ukuthi bethanda ukusebenza nami okwangempela I think the day ngaba record kokucala ngiba recorda into ye MTV Base I think bebenza ama reprise noma like bebenza ingoma zabantu lezi zaphesheya kodwa ngesicathamia
yabo
so ngaba record bazoyi perform beyimime on a stage lapha and base bathi siyayithanda indlela oyenze ngayo sound yethu asikaze sicabanga ukuthi isound yethu nami phela I was doing it ukuthi impress but siyayithanda and then from lapho ke abazange baphinde ba record ngomunye umuntu ngoba even noma bangahamba baye phesheya abafiki ba record khona bahamba babuye nje bezo record
bezospan
yabo ngoba even kwayi manager yabo uMitch wabatshela ukuthi hayi yabo le sound leni lo muntu onirecordayo la eSouth Africa aningamshintsha because I seems as if uyayi understand le sound yabo
that's amazing record izinto ezwini ama Grammy
bra ibabla ama classic la mongasikhumbuza mhlawumbe ongathi nje yabona ingoma ethize ye Lady Smith Black Mambazo iphuma kulezandla lezi
uyabo nje ngakushayi kakhulu angivele ngithi there's a song in Burna Boy there's 2 songs as no Burna Boy and I recorder and then there's one with Ubabu Oliver Mtukudzi
bra
so nje I think those are my biggest songs kumina because zi involve abanye abantu engakaze ngiphuphe ukuthi ngiyoke ngisebenze nabo yabo so nje
wow so manje mfethu uma usuyibona ke lapha on stage ufila kanjani nje ubona mfethu because manje obviously we know see Mambazo wina ama-Grammy amaningi kabi naye Burna Boy naye is a huge artist and he obviously qhamuka khona nga like KZN so kuba njani nje masuyibona izinto zenze
amazing mfethu angikwazi nokuyi expressa indaba ye feeling ukuthi ngisuke ngifila kanjani yabo angazi
who's another artist you think ukuthi yabona ke lo because I'm sure because njengoba usho and you never thought this would happen mhlawumbe kusakenzeka mhlawumbe omunye nje umcabangayo omkhulu
engasebenza naye mfethu mina I'm open minded bengisho nje singakangeni ukuthi into emnandi uhleze ngibuza umunye ubhuti ukuthi uyenza kanjani into ukuthi ube urecord uMaskandi urecord iKwaito uphinde urecord iSicathamia urecord iZayoni yabo urecord nalezi ezinyeke omlazi gospel choir yabo wenza kanjani lo ngithi it's all about ukuba passionate ngento oyenzayo kumina it's not about genres kumina it's all about creativity and sound it's not about inhlobo ne genre yabo ukuthi hey senza hit inhlobo senze nje music as long as wenza kube mnandi and then
and ingakho nje uhlale kulezo ipace ey different sokwenza lo music
ngithi ngenhliziyo sengihleli nje ngedwa ngithi yabo manje senga-applyela even nokuba yi-compiler because ngo-understanda yonke inhlobo ye-music
and ungenza sense kodwa mase
with i-profile yakhe
ungenza sense ngempela and talking about i-music ikhona ama-producer recent that you have done that we need to know about
i-project the biggest project nje engiyenzile khona abanye obomama nabo baperforma international bayibeze uAfrica Mamas so they just won 2 awards ngengoma engaba producers on and then
kahle nomele bathole nama awards lawa afike
no ayafika actually ukuthi nje kuphela noma kuthatha isikhathi ukuthi afike but afike and then bese ukuthi enyeke enkulu engiyenzileke ku acapella iyona umlazi gospel choir I think the lale indaba song ungitshele so I have a platinum for that one at home.
Yes. Hey Vince, that's amazing. That's amazing. And then are there any future collaborations or bhekile uwenze
oqala ukuthi ngifuna ukumfeatureisha wena
asebenza ngikhona ngikhumbula lapho ngifikile zo recorda i-EP yami
Yeah.
wangenzele enye into nje i-intro wayisusa from scratch yakhumbula senzele yampahla
Oh
la
yeah, I understand ukuthi
hayi from scratch afaka ama-sound forest afaka
yeah.
hayi sound ngempela uyiphethe. It's not about music only but it's about the sound
Yeah.
and to understand the difference and be able to combine it. I think it's very dope.
Yeah, mina umuntu engisafisayo nje ukusebenza naye hence ngu-producer. I think ngokubuka ngimbukela kude as umuntu engimbona njengomuntu humble yabo. I think uKabza the Small okwamanje, you know why ngisho kanjalo, because naye ngiyamuzwa indlela producer ngayo ukuthi he's just a musician. It's not about genres.
Big time.
Yabo sekhona ukuthi phela udume ngegenre ethize
kunzima to transition
kuba ngazi ukuthi into yakho leyo kanti he's just a musician yabo. But futhi the same time mawuzothi uyayilandela even background yakho yabo ukuthi from Kwaito he was there yabo ukunyuka kanje yabo.
Mina uthi angifuni sibe humble about this episode kakhulu, sikhohlwe izinto eziningi uDasta zenzile kudala yabo lona. Kunenye into ekhona lapha kwi profile yakho brand that detail ukuthi from unyaka othize usebenze noBongs wenze le ngoma and unyaka ethize wenza usebenze nobani. Angazi masingayivula lapho a child because manje leyo nto leya ikhombisa ijourney yakho.
No, it's like
nezinto osuyithintile mhlawumbe abantu ababukele abazazi even lezi ngoma engikhuluma ngazo.
Actually it's not about one song, the one that we played here. It's not about one song. It's about so many songs nje ongayibala emabalabala.
Yes. No.
So besibonane. Yabo.
Ngifuna siyibaleke njengamanje uzokhuluma ngayo le list engiyibonile. Siqale nje from eqaleni sinesineke. Ukusho nje unyaka iartist nokuthi yipi ingoma. Ohlala phezulu.
2004. AMU.
Yes.
Phakamise. 2005 DJ Bongs. Sobabili. 2006 DJ Bongs Gogo.
Amangongongo.
Amangongongo.
The song was featured ku album yakhe. I think Survival of the Fittest. I only produced one song on that album because I'm being busy yabo.
What's 206 kwa Uthabisile Ndlovu khona full album. How many tracks was that?
I think there's 12 if I'm not mistaken.
And then DJ Chinaman. DJ China, which was the song title. Well, 206 DJ 20. Full album. Yes.
Okay.
El Vovo Terango 206. Shelela.
I produced the song called Shelela.
Nice. 207 Bongs Thandwa Sam. 207 Uzuga.
Sisipholele.
208 two Bongs Emabalabala nesiwe sibunane. 209 El Vovo wavele wayidead nomanga. Ayo.
Ongakhumbule khuluma la ngayo IQ.
Uzwide 2010 sesiyi World Cup ke manje. Full album. Ithemba le Africa full album 2011.
Ithemba le Africa a cappella. In fact ithemba le that's why ngithi kumele si update ilokho njani biography yami because yabo nje before ngirecord ithemba le Africa ngaqale ngarecord abanqobi icala.
Yo.
A cappella.
Kwase kwathi 2011 bra usebenzile 2011 kwathi inkazimulo full album nakhona wathi malini fu 2011 wathi shwele baba ne izinkomo and then 2012 sekubhubha ke lapho
sekubhujwa ke lapho
yithi laba full album and Usbo the Poet was a cappella.
He angithi uyazi Usbo the Poet wenza ipoetry so mina we fused the music with the poet.
Oh nice.
So ngakho music ngamakhela music yabo. And then wase keep the album because
that's amazing. I think more poets need to do that.
So keep the album and I believe there's one song that we did with Usfiso Ncwane on the album.
Nice.
Wow, that's amazing. And then 2013 Elvains.
Elvinez or something like that.
Yeah. Full album.
Yeah.
And this, and then I keep noticing ukuthi kubhalwe Destinity Records, record company yakho le.
Yeah.
So you keep her under omanye publisher wena under your own record label. And then Mkharimbe, Revolution Song. What's 2014 Elvovo futhi simthela ngamanzi. What's 2014 Maqhinga Hadebe Facebook.
Facebook.
Hayibo 2015 uwekela sing la.
Kushoda kumaqhinga Hadebe kushoda le angithi Facebook khona le ngoma ethi Facebook bese kuba khona lethi iX yami. Ayibhaliwe ke.
Ayibhaliwe la.
X yami ayibhaliwe. Ya produce yimina.
Nice.
2015 ke kwavele kwaba maningi ke manje la you recorded a track with Oliver Mtukudzi. With Black Mambazo in 2014. Yes. Ay maningi bana dust. Buku 2015 munganani? Sing 2025 la.
So nje
yonke kade ngizama ukuyiveza kahle kahle.
Outdated nje manje lethu. So nje ifuna update.
Kumele uyise ngithi
ngoba manje sisazokhuluma ngama classic osuwenze nje recently nabanye abantu. Njengoba uthi umuntu uma efika nje e-studio vele kuyaphekwa.
Mina si-update mase sengifile lapha e-studio siyasifaka nale mina siyenze.
Yebo. Iphi software osukuyona manje with production and why are you using it?
Quantize. Ayanda Ngcobo, may his soul rest in peace.
Yes.
Uyena, I was comfortable with Cubase.
Yes.
What you mean lalela. Okay, right lapho vele usuyayazi usuyijwayele nanokuthi ucomfortable kakhulu kuyona. Naye enye programming awuzama uLogic Pro.
Oh, Logic.
Yeah. And then beku9 ke ngalesa sikhathi and then wathi angizame yona. Ngaqale ngabhoreka yabo ukufunda into entsha. Kodwa ngithethe time sengiyijwayela ngabona ukuthi Cubase ingane.
Wena masukhuluma ngeLogic ukhuluma ngabantu beApple. Abantu abalumayo straight. Yo uLogic umnandi ngoba comes with a lot of things. Yabo usebenzisa kakhulu. And isipane esiningi usenzile manje usenza ngawo nemastering.
Usenza ngawo nje even nemastering yenza ngawo. So nje yonke into ngiyenza khona ngiqede khona. The reason why ngifaka lento yama softwares ukuthi phela sikhuluma no producer and ngiyazi ukuthi abantu abaningi bazobe besibukela abanye bakwe production mhlawumbe bayathanda ukuthi bakhule bezwe babone bafunde ngoba iprogram ekisebenziswe kakhulu uFL. Ngiyabona. uFL abantu abaningi bakhule ngawo uFL for sure now uyawusebenzisa noma usawusebenzisa. Mawusakhuluma ngaleyo ke yama program and stuff. There is a big project coming, but angakafuna ukukhuluma ngayo but mhlawumbe ngayithi nje hala mhlawumbe futhi ngizonika nini umsebenzi mase sengiright nekube yini neshooter yabo. Izobizwa i-troubleshoot.
Okay.
I-troubleshoot where we come to your studio here.
Yes.
And then without telling you that we are coming, we just check ukuthi are you in a session and then basic fika ama camera.
Nice.
And then sizo check ukuthi usebenza kanjani, usebenzisa yipi program, ukuthi wenza kanjani, how do you take up to your stands, how do you.
That's nice.
So the reason why siyenza leyo program because I've noticed most of your beat makers because beat maker / producers kukhona izinto eziningi like for example umuntu methi ucela ngimixele ingoma ngimenzele final mixing thiwe akakhipha ama stems akakwazi but usebenzisa iprogram but
akwazi ukwenza ama separate
akwazi ukwenza kanjani why ungakwazi
bra
kunano YouTube uyakwazi ukungena ku YouTube ufunde.
Ake futhi kubalekile nama vocalist ukuthi nisifundise ukuyirecorder sometimes.
Exactly.
And obviously we're not going to know. Mina ngifuna nje ukufunda ukuproducer. Khona ezinye izinto ungamele ukwazi konke. But at least ukwazi ukuyirecorder. Mhlawumbe uthola ukuthi ngine laptop yami, ngine mic yami, ngine wami. ngiyirecord nje ngihambise masinalungisayo.
Uyabona nje ukufakazela lokho ukuthi how comfortable is his ukuyirecorda wena.
Yeah, it
Because
is.
laptop izobila i-microphone nayo.
Akho umuntu uyaklabalasa uklabalasa.
Mawupimbile uyadelete uphinde uqale
Uqale phansi,
phansi. Yabo
yeah.
so nje kulula into
Pressure.
vele
Yeah.
kahle into ekumele yenzeke leyo. Yabo.
ingakho si-introduce leyo part ye-basic yama-instrument.
You know why uNasty C most of this time ingoma zakhe zi on point
Yeah,
because uyayirecord.
uyazenzela.
Exactly kanje nayi microphone nayi i-computer yakhe nayi microphone
Yes.
na ama headphones.
Even
Yeah.
just uyayitravelela uhambela into yakhe like portable.
Yes.
Uyihlela nje.
Ngiyayazi leyo shane i-Hope i-album yami ngiyirekhode mina ngayikhipha.
Ishu.
Yaphuma yaphela nje.
Hayi phela,
Ama-instrument
ngifefo.
bengibuye ngithola uPrince Yano kobe noku kwabangisize but
Yebo.
ngizenzelile nje.
Yeah.
And ayikho into comfortable njengokuthi ubuye uvuke ebusuku ucabange something ngikwazi
Usheshe
ukungena
ufake,
uyenze. Yeah. And yazi seke sayenza nala kule podcast ukukhombisa abantu ukuthi session man
Yeah.
composer yenzeka kanjani but I feel like nale production izosiza
Yeah.
ngifuna ukuyenza
Yeah.
from studio to studio.
Yeah, different studio.
Abantu babone
Yeah.
ukuthi ngempela ama composer.
Esincane, esemkhukhwini kanjalo
Yeah.
ukuthi nirecorda kanjani ama vocals njengoba kukanjena.
Yes.
Nenze njani? I think kubalekile.
Yeah.
Yabo.
Because o-producer abaningi baqale bedlala from i-keyboard leya i-computer baze bayithengela ama-mid.
Yes.
How good are you on the mid composition kwi-keyboard?
Imake angithi uyazi ukuthi kuhluke kabili
Yeah.
la kule computer like kulo FL
Yes.
uyakwazi ukuthi usebenzise i-keyboard le
Le keyboard yokubhala ukutype
udlale ngayo udlale
ngayo
ngayo and then bese kuba yilena ke imidi
Iyona-ke le ngisho.
le mhlambe le M audio or something like
Yes,
that
yes.
I mean I'm good vele
Vele
kudlaleni
Oh nice.
yeah I'm good vele kudlaleni
Nice.
so ngiyadlala nje la by choice
Yeah.
mawukuthi ngiyafila lapha yabo
Akhona
bayadweba kabanye
Yeah,
abadlali
bayadweba,
bayadweba and they are so
bayadweba.
good futhi
Yeah.
abanye
Ngeke
because
usedwe-
ama chord nje abakhipha exactly the way
Exactly, yeah.
Yeah.
Mhlawumbe uthola ama-keys esayizwa nje kodwa uyayidweba isikhathi esiningi.
yes
Yeah.
Hayi ngiqala yena leyo ke sekungazana.
Ayadweba.
Dweba kanjani?
Iyona into emnandi.
hayi
Yabo,
ngama-note ngama-note.
i-software ikuvezela upiano wakho
Yeah.
and then wena usuyathatha ngama-notes uyokubeka ama-block
Yeah.
ama-block
Oh,
mase leyo
ama-blocks
block
lawayana.
le uyakwazi ukuyidonsa
Ukudweba lokho.
Uyakudweba.
Oh, phela ngicawusini.
oh cha ukudweba lokho kwenu kwe-art
Phela sokuthi khona umunye umuntu confused ngabo.
Yeah,
Yeah.
siyabonga kakhulu. That's yazi even nayo le session ya Enlighten with the production.
Yeah,
Ukuthi
yeah.
there is more things that ezenzakalayo. Ingoma uyibona isiphuma. For sure nale ngoma esidlalela thina sobabili abantu abaningi bebazi ukuthi hey uBongs.
Yeah.
Mhlawumbe bazi nalo oculayo kuphela. Abantu abakwi production
We're
ngemuva.
behind the scenes.
Awuve bengashayina
It's very-
shayina uyibone leyo nto.
yeah mfethu
Yeah.
ngoba ngikuthanda uku-emphasize lo ukuthi ngiyazi ukuthi sometimes kuye kuthiwa it's breaking yabo
Yeah.
but ngiye ngithi mina actually I feel as if we no TK we the first person ukwenza an original song ukuze iphume as a compilation yo DJ
Yeah.
because most DJ Fresh ban they were taking ingoma from Peshe abe compile yeah understand lento ngisho
Ngiyithola kakhulu. Vele kwakwenzeka njalo.
yeah until thina create something and then after createile and then kwaqala ke no DJ Tira ke base ba create
Yeah, ba create.
kwenza ama album wabo from their
Yeah.
creations yabo so but ke
Hey,
izinto zonke lezo ongeke uhamba ukuxoxa ngazo xoxela
Right.
wonke umuntu yabo
Nina nithole eqaleni emakhasetini
yeah
la khona usathi mawudlala instrument ingene direct mawubhimbile kubhimbe yonke ingoma
exactly uqala phansi yonke
icassette lonke
yes yes
awungitshela
indlela nje
hayi
yokurecorda
ukuthi uthi delete ayiphinda
one
achande
take
One take.
recorder
Yonke.
ababhekayo naba lapha
Fethu
oculayo
umnandi
nangu
studio
la
sakho yazi.
Cha ba.
yabo nangu oculayo meke kwabhimbo yedwa lapha siqala
Yeah.
phansi lengoma yeah
And it's so nice to see studios njengaleso esakho la
Yeah.
eThekwini because you can literally record a live album with a live band.
Yes.
Nje ube nama BV akho urecord nje into live nje.
Actually njoba usosho kanjalo sengikhumbuza nosesinonzwakazi.
Yes, shaya iskempile lapha.
Ngamrecorda lapha e-studio album yakhe.
Yeah.
Uyabona nje nawe ama capabilities zokurecorda into live. Akhona ayikona into elula le.
Akuyona into elula.
And if iyasho ke mfana i-sound quality. Yeah, iyasho.
Hey bra mina ngithanda nje ukubonga ukuthi ufikile namhlanje saba nawe kwi Creative Unplugged podcast. Mhlawumbe kuba khona esibakhohlwayo ukuthi ngiyazi baningi but ongathi nje Mhliko Achild ngisebenze nobani and ngingathanda ukuba mention ngoba badlala irole ebalekile empilweni yami noma abantu engathi mangenza nabo something kwangena ngishiching
Baningi mfethu baningi ngoba ngizosuke ngikhohlwe oyedwa but nje umuntu engambonga kakhulu ngabonga yena uMalcolm yabo ngambonga uMalcolm for ukunikeza iopportunity and then bese ngiyabonga nakuba kusibongiseni ukuthi ingitrust ukuthi istudio sirano yimina yabo so lokho nje it means a lot. People they might knowing right studio the studio semambazo lesiyana so the fact yokuthi ngilaphana they are trusting me ngeinto zabo so something big so ngike ngazama ukuvula esami kwacaca ukuthi mengivule sami lesi sifuna ukuvaleka lesi yabo bangibiza bathi akuye ke ngizosirana futhi again so nje mfethu sisebenzisana kahle ku right akaze sibe nezinkinga akaze kube nama problems and ngiyathanda nje nokubonga nje everyone mfethu always being support or ekuyinto nje engiyenzayo mina mfethu ngiyabonga nakunina nje mfethu ngiyabonga ni podcast yene enhle kuhle la ekhaya yabo ngithinta lana nje ukubona ngithinta kanje akuyeke kumnandi kungikitaza izandla
ayi mfethu mina ngihlale ngijabula kakhulu mahleli nama legends abantu abasiphavele indlela basikhombisa ukuthi okay lento yenziwa kanjani noma esabukela kubona ngoba baningi abantu njengamanje abanama families abanezinto ezinhle empilweni yabo kodwa abaphuma kulesandla lesi noma abanomsebenzi wawuthinta wabenza abantu so nje ukuhlala nawe mfethu angazi kuyi blessing kanjani
inengoma ke odentsha ke ephumile
nice
igama layo ithi imali yephepha it's a 3-step song so phela ukuthi ngimdala akusho ukuthi
iphumile wonke ama social media
nje ikhona yonke indawo
ayisiyidlala ke manje polisa lunga la
so ukuthi ngimdala akusho ukuthi nayi ngingalandi the good thing about me ngiyakwazi ukuadapt yabo so nje ngenza ingoma nomyumjita waselamonte bathi umnothi so I think it's a beautiful song although ngokweplan yami bengafuni ukuyikhipha this year kodwa kwaukuthi ngiyaphusheka ke bangiphusha abantu bathi ngoma imnandi ngathi okay angidedele but ngokwenqondo yami mina ngiyibone iphume next year yabo so nje
hayi njengoba ngishilo ukuthi siyayidlala soyidlala sophuma ngayo Dusty imali yephepha
Dust N
Dust N
Dust Nkosi so ngikhathi unkosi ngathi Dust N ngibiza ngo Dust N
nice so usakhona la khona into ofuna ukuyi-add lapho kuma questions before sivala
hayi
sengijahe le ngoma
mfethu sengijahe ngoma no mfethu no kuyancomeka nje I think wonke umuntu futhi okwaziyo nje bethu in the industry within ama-artists not just abantu abalalela music wakho but within ama-artists it's nice to have abantu nje abanjengawo that are very passionate and aba deep into their craft it's not just into yenzela nje iphilayo kubalekile ukuthi to remain authentic esikhathini way sihamba ngema trend
mhlawumbe uma ungaphinda eback kulama podcast la ekhaya uyobuka i-podcast eyayinemalini kunomphako wakho lapho baba mention ukuthi
hayibuka
okay ba mention igama la
ngisendela njalo kusonde so manje vele ngisengekho busy kahle ngesikhathi kumele ngabe ngiyesontweni mina ngisengifocus
nice omunye umuntu osenda leyo mphako like recently even uletujana uma stand naye
hayi basazofika nje baningi yabo nje ku industry yaseThekwini hayi bafika abantu engake usebenzi nayo
and ngizoyi highlight nale part le ukuthi phela siyi Movie As Media we are lentujana a photography studio shaya ama photos
Video.
ama video kunabantu futhi la abafika abama artists because
Yeah.
of dust
Yeah,
yabo
yeah.
lonto bezoshootha ngoba phela sinama package ahlukahlukene
Yeah.
mawu artist ufuna ukwenza
Cover art,
cover
or
art
music
yakho
video.
or music video so thank you very much baf
Hayi kubonga
Yeah.
mina bafo.
Yabo
Ukuthi
nje-
video yengoma yakho kusho ukuthi sizoyilindela ke booking.
Oh ngifuna ukuyishoot.
ukushuthela
Ngifuna ukuyishoot.
hayi singakushuthela ikinkinga
Okay,
hayi
okay.
singakushuthela ikinkinga baf
All right.
Nangu
And
sewuhlabile
asihluphike
umnyaka.
like as a conceptualizer futhi uma ufuna yonke into nje
yeah
Hayi.
uwena nje.
Hayi usushilo ke. Usushilo. Bengicabanga ukuthi uzoshutha uLokhunjani. Angisamusha ngegama. Kodwa mawusho kanjalo, ayizodiscussa iLokhunjani in terms of ibudget.
yeah
Yeah.
hayi quality iphezulu sinengoma nje edlala ibhade lapha kweMTV sayishuthela omunye wobhuti abadope ngokushutha la eThekwini uke kuhamba nendawo buyatsinala kothi ngathi abuyathi ubani ngambe uStem
Yeah.
kunengoma nje ethi yenga master nje ebusy TV kule insuku ishuthwe yithina la ekhaya
Uyabona ke. Mina ngicishe ngasho yena uStem ngathi ngizoshuthela uyena uStem.
Asebenza naye vele
Sisebenza
ngoba
naye.
ekhaya.
Hayi nje akuqediwe. Vele uyena bezongishuthela. Uyena uStem bezongishuthela.
yeah uyena umuntu nje ubuya afaka ihle elizima yakho
Uyabo nje kumanje angithi kumanje sinengoma nathi eku TV edlalayo.
yeah
Uyena uStem oyishuthile ekakhula box ethi umamkami kakubona it's on high rotation.
Nice.
uyayiplaka ingoma
Ngisho nami nje mina mele ngifake lami order ke vele manje.
plus sishuthile sayithinta nayo ivideo
Yeah.
yakho futhi le end
Yeah.
nayo kufuna ngiphele phela
Cha iphelile phela kodwa manje sizobona.
Yeah.
Sikhipha next day elise
Yeah, ilento strategy nami sikanjalo.
leyo like i-soft leyo manje izophuma igqomu so
Izophuma
shoot fast
igqomu,
igqomu
yeah.
sikhiphe yona December mase leyo ke sikhiphe kahle
sekurelaxiwe
sirelaxile
yeah DJ kama kanjani lapha awu ziyasha ngicela siphume ngayo le ngoma awuphinde uyipresente kambe uthe ithini ihloko sayo
Igama lengoma ithi imali yephepha.
yeah
Ngiyayifuna imali yephepha.
bafethu anesinike lenyo
Yeah.
was
Yeah.
ephepha kuphela hayi ohlweze
Hayi, funa imali
yephepha.
$5 R2 isho
no to pop
no
Hayi sithi kuzomela uqale uyakha idea yevideo.
asilalele siya brainstorm manje ngamanje
eish mina ke futhi ngizobe siphabaza amalokho nje masidlala ngale yeah
ingoba ubeyispeaking
Yeah.
bephansi
Yeah, angithi ya vibrate.
yeah yo
eish
ay uba kuyivocal
Yeah, nomnothi wase Lamont. Akhala uDJ Nzwiri wathi uyizwe idlala uDJ Ndlovu.
oh yeah
Angithi uDJ bane tendency yokuthi yabo mele ngoma emnandi ufuna ngathi ngadlala uyena kuphela. Uthi uvele wamtshela ukuthi hayi uDust uthe nginikeze umuntu.
usho ba udlo
ngathi mina
Ngathi simdinga naye la yasaba ukuza
ngathi mina kunzwiri hayi futhi online nje lengo ngayidownload nawo.
hayi
Uthi kumnandi izingoma for the first time eklabini.
yeah and izwakala kuse
Yeah.
bakala
ay go and download the song Dusty featuring
Mnothi.
Umnothi nice song what an amazing song ay siyabonga DJ bafo abantu mabekudinga bedinga ukusebenza nawe bedinga ukungena e-studio befuna ukuthola kwi-production ngiyazi ukuthi ubuye u-DJ
Yeah.
bakuthola kanjani
nguDust Nkosi nje yonke indawo like social media nguDust Nkosi mawungena uDust Nkosi kuzovela mina.
yeah
And then ke mhlambe sebangangifonela noma bangi WhatsApp
Yeah.
like personal
Yes.
Anyone nje interested ekusebenzeni nami studio ngiyacharge kodwa ke mina
Yeah,
ngiyacharge nje ngoba ngiyazi vele ukuthi into engizokunika yona kusuke ukuqondile yeah so inamba yami angazi noma ngayisho
ungayisho baba
yeah it's 0826719911 0826719911 mhlambe ke mo serious ngebusiness yokuthi uyangibooka you can email me at dustinityrecords@gmail.com
yes
Ufuna le mali.
hayi
Ngempela.
befethu yabo umuntu uma ukuthi usephelelwa i-energy uyibona ifoni mayisiqala ukucisha ibovu
yeah
ifuna ukuthi wenze njani uyicharge so nje uba charger
yeah
ubafaka umoya uyabagcwalisa
Yes.
uyabona lonto bazoba nama classic bazoba nama hits
yeah
yabo lonto
yeah
charge sesiphuma.
Yeah, thank you so much for being here, Dusty.
Thank
And
you.
tell us, guys, download the Ingoma. It's out on all streaming platforms. And
Yeah.
also, please don't forget to subscribe. Now to we podcast here too.
Yeah.
See, episode 51, man.
Cabanga
Singayeki because yabo nje bafo ngiyakhumbula nje nicala lento and
Yes.
kuyangijabulisa ukuthi abantu engakubona ukucala nabo usanabo futhi namanje yabo nje menabantu ni united there's nothing nje enganihlula ukuyenza
bra
yeah
athi nasumndeni ongeke uzohlukanisa sashayelelwa ngespeaker phansi
yeah
hayi siyabonga
Thank
nathi
you.
Thank you so
Sesiphuma,
much.
sikhona laphana ku TikTok sikhona ku Instagram sikhona ku Facebook sikhona ku YouTube mawusidinga ufuna ukusi-emailela khona i-creative@gmail khona umoviasmedia1@gmail kumhligoristo wonke umuntu uyangazi mongangazi usuyangazi njengamanje sesiphuma sithi siyabonga siyavalelisa let's all say bye
Bye.
showcase